Current affairs video for the period 13th August to 16th August will be of immense help to the students in their preparations for different competitive exams. Current affairs headlines. Deepika Pallikal wins Australian Open Squash 2016 title. International Youth Day celebrated on 12th August. World Biofuel Day observed on 10th August. Manjula Chellur appointed as Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. Spiritual Guru Pramukh Swami Maharaj passes away. Odisha to make Aadhaar card mandatory for paddy procurement. Usain Bolt wins gold in men's 100 meters in Rio Olympics. NASA selects 6 companies to develop prototypes and concepts for deep space habitats. Current affairs in detail. Deepika Pallikal wins Australian Open Squash 2016 title. To win the title, the Indian player defeated Mayar Heni of Egypt. The women's singles final was held in Melbourne, Australia. For Deepika, this was the first title win in 2016. Earlier, she won the women's doubles title in the 2014 Commonwealth Games. International Youth Day celebrated on 12th August. It was celebrated with focus on responsible consumption and production. It was taken up to achieve the 2030 Sustainable Development Agenda. The day was created by the United Nations in December 1999. The theme for 2015 was Youth Civic Engagement. World Biofuel Day observed on 10th August. The day seeks to create awareness about usage of non-fossil fuels. The day was created to mark the extraordinary achievement of Sir Rudolf Diesel. On this day, he successfully ran mechanical engine with peanut oil for the first time. Sir Rudolf Diesel is also the inventor of the diesel engine. Manjula Chellur appointed as Chief Justice of Bombay High Court. Presently, she is the Chief Justice of the Calcutta High Court. She succeeds D.H. Waghela, who retired on 10th August 2016. She was the first woman advocate in Bellary district. In 2000, she became a permanent judge of the Karnataka High Court. Spiritual Guru Pramukh Swami Maharaj passes away. Pramukh Swami Maharaj was an Indian spiritual guru. He was believed by his followers to be in constant communion with Swaminarayan. He received initiation as a Hindu Swami in 1940 from Shastriji Maharaj. He built more than 1,100 Hindu temples, including the Swaminarayan Akshardham temple. Odisha to make Aadhaar card mandatory for paddy procurement. Farmers' Aadhaar cards will be linked to the cooperative banks. Peasants' accounts for online transfer of cost of paddy will be procured from the coming Kharif season. Both farmers and sharecroppers will link their Aadhaar cards for online payment of paddy cost. Usain Bolt wins gold in men's 100 meters in Rio Olympics. With the win, he became the first man to win the event 3 times at consecutive Olympic Games. Bolt won the race in 9.81 seconds. USA's Justin Gatlin won the silver in the event. Canada's Andre Degrasse won the bronze medal. NASA selects 6 companies to develop prototypes and concepts for deep space habitats. NASA and industry partners will expand commercial development of space in low Earth orbit. They will also work towards improving deep space exploration capabilities. Prototypes and concepts for deep space habitats will be developed under the Next Step 2. For more on current affairs, log on to jagranjosh.com.